Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 8th November 2025, Saturday, Vishwavasanama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Sharatarado, Aipasi Masam, that is Tula Masam, Krishna Bhaksham, Tithi up to 12:32 p.m. Tradiya, then Chaturthi. Today, Sthiravasanam, Saturday, Nakshatram up to night 3:57 a.m. Mrigashirsham, then Tiruvadirai, Rahuvalam 9 to 10:30 a.m., Yamagandam 1:30 to 3 p.m., Kuligalam 6 to 7:30 a.m., good time 7 to 8 a.m., then 11 to 12 p.m., sunrise 6:09 a.m. at Kerala, Chandrashtamam up to 4:39 p.m. Tula Rashi, then Vrchiga Rashi, Shulam East, Prayachittam Kard, Sradhatidi Chaturthi. Today, Sankadagara Chaturthi. Om Sri Matre Namaha.